everybody, Country Mouse here, and today we're going to do something I haven't done for a while. It is a Birchbox. This is actually my very first subscription I ever got was Birchbox, and I loved it, so I haven't gotten rid of it. Normally, I will buy both of the boxes where you can actually go into the store and buy the curated box, and then get your subscription box. They're $10 a month. They give you deluxe sizes and sample size stuff, but it's a lot of stuff that you can go in and try out. They have their own little store online that you can go into, build points kind of like you do with Ulta, and be able to save back some of those points to take money off your order. They do a lot of 20% offs, 50% offs, 60% offs monthly. So, I mean, you have a chance to save some money if you go through Birchbox. Some of the stuff that you can find in Ulta, you can find at Birchbox too, or Sephora, so always check it out. But this is February's box. I only got the curated box, or no, I got my sample choice box, because you have a thing of either you can get the curated box where you already know what everything is in it, or the surprise box where you don't know what those 5 products are, or you could choose one of the, I think they give like 3 different options of products, so you can actually choose one of those, and then the other 4 products are mystery. So let's get into this. Something smells highly of perfume. Whew. Like brothel type perfume. That was strong opening that box. I didn't smell it up when the box was closed, but opening it up, it was like, alright, so they always give you a card with the retail value and a little information on it, which is always amazing. This is what the back side of the card looks like. And I think I found what smells. I mean, it's not a bad smell. It's just, it's strong for me. Right now I'm having some issues in my head, so yep, that's it. It's like really perfumed baby powder. That's not for me. Somebody else can love on that. But this is the Proenza Schouler, the Arizona perfume. Full size to be $100. Not for me. It's a little too strong for me, but if you love it, I'm glad you do. It probably smells better when it's on somebody's body and has time to move in with, mix with their pH and everything else. Whew, that just, I can't breathe today. Alright, it says, channel an adventurous attitude with this crisp concoction of white cactus flower, jasmine, and orange flower that's suitable for spritzing year-round. Yeah, that might be jasmine that I'm smelling, not baby powder. Alright, the next thing we have in here is the Malin+Goetz Vitamin E Face Moisturizer. I like anything that's vitamin E. And I've tried a couple of their products. Full size of this would be $50. And you can get this at Birchbox also. It says oil-free moisturizer, deeply hydrates and balances pH, making it a match for all skin types, even the most sensitive. So that's really, really good, because my skin's been really, really dry, but really, really finicky. So I'll give that a go. Ooh, so we have a Sunday Riley Autocorrect Brightening Depuffing Eye Contour Cream, $65. And I think I've had one of these before. I could be wrong. Give tired looking eyes a lifted effect with this cream, and it does all. Caffeine depuffs, horse chestnut, smooth fine lines, and antioxidant rich. Provides luminous. Oh my gosh, my eyes just went. Anybody else get those gray clouds? Like it's like a gray sheet that goes across your eyes. It's like, okay, I can't see for a moment, but we're good. And then we have a MAC Cosmetics, wrong one, lip gloss, or lip glass and spite. Full size be $17.50. And we're not even going to take it out. We're just going to leave it in that packaging. That is not a color of lippy that I will go for. And even though it probably shears out, somebody else could probably give some love into that. 'Cause I've got to go through all my lip stuff And I gotta stop hoarding stuff. I gotta start using it. And I'm not doing it. Alright, last thing that's in the box is the Marcelle Xtension plus Skyline mascara, full size, be $15. Now, I've been really loving the Marcelle line, and I will give this a go on another day, and I will let you guys know what I think about it. I'll do it in a video so you guys can see if it lengthens or anything spectacular happens that you gotta have this mascara. You will see in a video. And that is it. That's all in my box. Yeah, I mean, it don't look the greatest when it's in the box, and it looks like this. But for $10, I mean, there was a Sunday Riley sample in there. I'm not sure how much is in there, because you can't really see. But there could be, like, maybe 2, 3, 4 uses. Just be sparingly, but you still use enough for your skin to use the samples. And, you know. Alright, I'm rambling. If you're new to my channel, please stay. Please hit the subscribe button. Please come chit-chat with me. I've been bored for the past month being on YouTube suspension. Nobody to talk to, nothing to do. So, I need my friends back. Alright, I will see everybody later. Love you, bye.